What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change the shape of your webcam. So as you can see, mine is a circle, but you can change it to whatever you want. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is head over to your search bar and type in black, and then whatever shape you guys want your webcam to be. So as you can see, mine is a circle, but for tutorial purposes I'm going to just going to do a random one. So let's say triangle. Alright, so we got triangle down. Now what you want to do is this is the important part, is type in PNG. Now basically what a PNG is that it's like a transparent photo, so it won't have, say if it's like a image has like a white background, then it won't have a white background. So this is a image, as you can see, you'll know that it is a PNG or transparent image if it has this checkered background. Now this one's good and all, but I don't really like this white outline that it has, so let's just go to the second one here. Oh, this one's perfect. So this one does have the checkered, and it's just a normal triangle. Alright, so now what you guys are going to want to do is go ahead and press save image as. Go ahead and save that image, and then you guys are going to want to go head over to your OBS studio. Alright, so now we're here in OBS studio. Now what you guys are going to want to do is head over to whatever source you're using your camera for. For me it's this Logitech camera. You're going to right click and go to filters, and then now once you're here, there's this little plus on the bottom left. This is to add a filter, and the one that you're going to want to select is image mask blend. So I already made one, so I'm just going to use it here, but just go ahead and create one for yourself. Make sure that the type is on alpha channel, so this one right here, and then the path, this is the file of your image to whatever shape that you chose. So mine was the triangle, so we're going to go ahead and press browse, go to the downloads, and then select that triangle. Now, as you can see, it has completely changed the shape now to a triangle, and yeah, that's basically it. And again, you can do this to whatever shape you guys want, and hope you guys enjoyed, hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.